Hello Nick, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2012 Ducati Hypermotard 1100. Kilometers is 17,265 and the price is 97,888 plus HST and license. Fully safety certified. This motorcycle comes with the brand new front and rear tires. And extra accessories. You will find here a nice lever in the red color and a damper that you could when you ride according to you could adjust. This motorcycle is available. It's fully safety certified from our company, and I understand you're gonna trade your 2007 B Star. I'm very happy to do that, and if you have some time, please come to visit us and you could see the motorcycle. And if you have more questions too, you could call me. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.